Hey, this is Nick, and I'm here to help you with linking your Facebook accounts. If you're having trouble doing this, these troubleshooting steps will definitely help. So go ahead and start by going to your dashboard, and then we'll click brand settings in the top left. Now from here, you're going to scroll down and click add new, and then select Instagram. You're going to see this warning page here. Go ahead and scroll to the bottom, just select that and continue to Facebook. Now you should see these options here. If you don't see edit settings, don't worry. If you have continue and cancel as your two options, just click continue and it'll bring you to the same place. But we're gonna click edit settings, and we're actually gonna skip over the Instagram business accounts for now. And this is where we wanna be. So these are gonna list all the pages that you manage. From here, you're gonna wanna click select all and ensure that the account that you actually wanna link is in this list somewhere. If it's not, what we're going to do is we're going to open another tab and go to business.facebook.com. Now, once you're in business.facebook.com, go ahead and click settings. And this is going to allow you to see your permissions on the page that you want to add. So I see my permissions on the Facebook and Instagram account. I'm going to click manage. And from here, it's going to pull up all the different things that I can manage. Just ensure that all these toggles are turned on. You can do this by doing them individually or selecting everything for full control at the bottom. And just make sure you click save. Once you've done that, we're gonna go back to this login with Facebook tab. We are going to refresh the page and it's just gonna bring us right back here. Click edit settings again, click next, and ensure that that missing page is now showing. Again, make sure that select all is selected, and then go ahead and click next, click done, and then click OK. Now what you're gonna do is you can actually exit out of this page, and we're gonna go back into our dashboard. This time we're gonna select Facebook so we can actually link that Facebook account. So we're gonna scroll down here, and this is the same one that we had tested in the Meta Business Suite, is this sandbox one. We're going to select that one and then click link one account. And if we go back to our dashboard, you'll see that the Facebook account is now showing. If you guys have any questions, definitely reach out and let us know.